What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife by Boker Plus. This box actually does not say anything on it, so let's get to opening it up. This is the Boker Plus Yokai, or yeah, I believe that's how it's pronounced, Tanto. It is in D2 with G10 outside scales, liner lock, flipper. Nice case by Boker. Okay, let's get to it. There we go. So we have, like I said, we have G10 for scales. Pretty nice, pretty grippy. Not very deep pocket clip, but got a glass breaker on it. Almost a pretty full back spacer, which looks like it's aluminum and looks like it's anodized red. Okay, got a hole. Okay, you can kind of get to it there with a thumb. There you go. You can kind of get to it. It's not the best hole for deployment. The D10 is actually pretty tight too. Flipper works good. Flipper looks really good. Okay. Its D10 is literally right there by lockup, so it's got a quick, not super drop shutty, but not too bad. Yeah, lockup, yeah, about 25% or so. DLC or yeah, maybe DLC blade. Pretty nice Tanto on there. Not super aggressive, but you can definitely tell. And I don't know whose maker mark that is. Oh, it's Hydra. That's right. Hydra Designs. This is a Hydra Santos design, I guess, blade or a knife. So it's a Hydra. Yeah, Hydra Armaments designed knife. It feels pretty good in hand. I don't really know about this whole section right here. I mean, it's got a little bit of jimping on it. As you can tell, it's not very, there's no traction there at all. Looks like it's 128 is the number. That must be Hydra's mark, and then D2 steel. Yeah, I don't get this hump right here. I mean, it kind of forces you to be way back on the knife, kind of, and it really just doesn't work very good for deployment either. It's it's a struggle. That D10, I mean, it might lighten up over time, but I don't know. It's still a pretty stiff. The D10 is obviously, the D10 is obviously tuned to the flipper, and you can light switch it, but it's not really perfected. It's strictly pretty much a push button, and it flips right open pretty decently. I don't think you could fail it. Maybe, I don't know. That D10's pretty. I almost failed it there, but yeah, it's a cool knife. It's a big knife. Its overall length is just a little over 9 inches. It's a 3 3/4 inch blade. So yeah, D2. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I kind of like that G10. It's got some nice traction to it. You don't feel like you're gonna slip off the knife or anything. It's a nice looking knife overall. It's a big knife, but it's not too bad. I mean, folded up. It's not going to take up an extreme amount of real estate. Doesn't seem like. It's not a super deep carry. It's going to stick out. Obviously, that red's going to say, hey, I got a knife. But, unless that bothers you, and then maybe it doesn't work for you. Those screws are absolutely terrible. I really wish we would get beyond T6s and put T8s. The screw isn't even a flush mount screw for the pocket clip. Yeah, it is recessed a little bit in there, so it's one screw. Yeah, Not bad. I mean, it's a $50 knife. I got it. I mean, you know, it's actually a 45. It was 50 with shipping or whatever from GP Knives. So overall, it seems like a pretty good knife. It's like I said, it's a big knife. It's not extremely small, but it's still EDCable. There's no doubt about that. So there you guys go. We'll take a look at it and carry it and get a lot more deployments under it and see if that detent lightens up a little bit more. But there you go. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.